Okay, hi guys. I know this is like, the camera is foggy. Welcome to today's video. It is 10:20. I also need to brush my teeth because I just went to walk. I put like 9 today, which I seriously need to get out of this bathroom right now because it's like muggy in here and humid. I swear that's the worst feeling ever, getting out of the shower. And it being just like humid and hot and like muggy. I have a video I need to film today, 2 videos I need to film. I have the video that needs to go up today that I need to film, and a video that goes up next week that I need to film. Those are the only 2 videos I had to film this week, and then obviously, and then this will be over in just a few days because I have to start a new vlog for the Life of a Showgirl release, and apparently there's supposed to be signed CDs today, so there's just gonna be some. So let's just log on to the website and see what's going on. Okay, I know I look horrible. Okay, there's nothing right now. I'm gonna go on Twitter and Instagram. Okay, nothing on Twitter, so we're just gonna log on to Insta. So we're just gonna hop on Instagram. Okay, nothing. So we're just gonna finish getting ready, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hi guys, I just got back from my dad's, and it's like 6:40, and I'm gonna go on a walk before it gets too dark. But I have 2 packages. This is a phone. This is a phone case. And this is my other vinyl variant phone case, and an Octobuddy. So clear Octobuddy phone case. It's more purple in person, and it's like kind of blue on camera. Clear one. It looks white, but vinyl variant. This came in the mail while I was gone. I got the Tiny Bubbles in champagne, and then this is the back cover. It's gorgeous. I really love this. I am starting to wish that I got the like orange vinyl. Dentist Look Away. I don't like this plastic. So like I get it, it's to protect the vinyl, but and it's reflective like the other ones. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see like the light. It's kind of good. Then we're gonna open it up and react to it together. Okay, I think this is the same one as my other one. No, this is a different picture. Same shoot. I'll read you the poem. So now let's open the vinyl. They've all got the glitter. They've all got the glitter from their countdowns. So this is the front, and this is the back, and then it's in the glitter, or it's in the clear. Like, oh, I love this. I do still kind of wish that I got the orange one, but I love this. I think it's gorgeous. This feels thicker than my other ones. Amazing. Whenever I feel like, at least to me, you know, it's more impressive how plastic. Is it plastic? Makes sound through speakers with a needle. That's more impressive to me than sending files through the air. Does anyone else feel like that? I feel like that's more impressive to me. Apparently you're like, oh, and then this is the lyric booklet. But apparently you're supposed to have your records in one of these. I will get these to put all of mine in eventually. I really do need to get it for my Elvis ones and my Michael Jackson one because they're really old. Like, my Elvis ones are like older than my grandma. I will get there eventually.
I just need you guys to be patient with me.
So that's our little haul for today. If this is your first time seeing my face, it might appear that I have a lot of money because I just did like unboxing in front of you. But I don't. This is the only other variant I got. I got the standard edition, signed copy, and then this one. So I guess there's 3 variants. The only other vinyl variant I got besides the standard edition. And then this travel toothbrush set that I was supposed to bring my dad's with me. Don't worry, I did bring a normal toothbrush. I just forgot to pack this travel set, and I think I'm gonna go walk now. So I'm in the bathroom right now, and I've got to unpack this toiletry bag because I did get home Friday, and it's Sunday now. I just keep my deodorant in my room. So I thought I packed a lot more. I just got my toothpaste. I don't like bringing travel size stuff because I feel like I'm gonna use it all, and then my toothbrush. Okay, hi guys, it's like 1:30ish right now. My signed CD came in yesterday. No, well, I mean, it's been in for a while, but I got it yesterday. So I'll show you the insert in a second because I already took it out, but it's just this normal CD. It's just the standard CD, same back, but there's a sign. This is when I'm glad I got this one because I didn't like the other 2. I do need to get a frame on Amazon for this. If I had gotten the standard CD and the signed CD, I would have, hold on, I'll show you what it is. I would have done this. Oh, also I did put my phone case and my Octobuddy on. I would have done like this, where it's like the CD and then the cover. To me, I was like, what's the point of having the CD if it's trapped in a frame? And maybe one day I will get the standard edition and then I can put this one in a frame, but that's not like my top priority right now. My top priority is getting my room cleaned. I like to do this. I like to put like one of my vinyls on my record player, and then while one side of the record is playing, I just clean everything. I put my phone up, I put my laptop up, and I turn my TV off. I just clean everything. So I did that last night, and then like I did all of side B. I did the front side of Life of a Showgirl, and I got like my entire room cleaned last night, so I probably need to do that again. But I just thought I would update you guys. I've also done, I'm sorry I'm in the same spot as yesterday. I promise we will leave my room eventually. This video is going up in 4 days, so I do need to just start vlogging more. I'm trying to get back into my vlogging because I know I've been doing a lot of sit down videos and stuff. I really wanted to take a break from, not a break, but I wanted to more days in between videos so that I can give you longer vlogs, because the longer a video is, the better it does in the algorithm. And so the next vlog after this, let's see when that's posted. The next vlog after this is in a week after this is posted. Oh, is it a week? Yeah. It's a week after this is posted, and then the next vlog after that will be posted on Halloween. Well, actually, then I have like a lot of vlogs back to back to back. It's so close to my birthday. Like, let's see how far it is. How many days until December 22nd? I have 72 days until then. So that means in 35 days I can, it's not 35. It means in 27 days I can schedule my license appointment. Got a lot to do. I would love to hit 1,000 subscribers before my birthday. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you are subscribed, send this to like maybe one of your friends who isn't subscribed. Maybe, or make another account to subscribe to me. I gotta clean my room. Okay, hi guys. It's like 11:50, but Ma and Tia are coming here on Saturday. I need to clean my room tomorrow because they're gonna get here like kind of early tomorrow. So, but the new Taylor Swift documentary is coming out on December 12th. Me and Hudson have our Halloween costume ready. I'm gonna save it to be a surprise for you guys during the Halloween vlog. I need to get this rag wiped down these counters because they just get like a lot of water on them because of how the sink is. Okay, hi guys. So I just got these Gilmore Girls stickers. I like always like to, when I get like stickers, I like to put them like on the back of my mirror just because that's like a nice little place to keep them. So I'll show you the ones I already have. So I've got this one that I just literally found in the crack of a seat in my mom's car, and then I got this one that my like 8th grade band director gave me. I've got this Taylor Swift one from A Books A Million in Nashville. Then this is one the University of Mississippi sent me. And then this is one that the University of Tennessee sent me. So I just gotta find the little, okay, so now we're gonna put it on this. Okay, I think I wanna put it like right over here. Maybe like right underneath Taylor. Okay, I like that.
Sometimes I go walking through fields where we walked long ago when the sweet used to be. And the flowers still grow, but they don't smell as sweet as they did when you picked them for me. And when I think of you and the love we once knew, how